Are we blinking? So you never know what'll happen, so you get all the good stuff on tape. Like I said, you're gonna have to go down. There's no way we're carrying it up. Okay, now I'll start sliding it back this way into the coal bank. And once we get down to those little roots sticking out, we can. Yeah, I always try to turn it this way so I can have the brake as I'm turning. Alright, hold on.
No, you man, you got her up here.
Fuck going up that hill without the underpower. That's so much work, especially for fat people.
Climb on there, Fluffy.
It ain't going nowhere.
Tap my brake.
Huh, I was gonna say, dude, this is going nowhere. You had to run me over.
Yeah,
It don't get hung up by me.
Hold the front.
My fat ass under. You ain't going nowhere.
My ass feels like I'm sitting way up in the air now.